Thanks.
All right, guys, we're almost there. We've probably walked about a mile, so headed to Delicate Arches here in Moab. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. It's pretty cool seeing all these rocks. What?
This is equivalent to whenever husbands take their wives on cruises and they accidentally fall overboard. Just want to be on the record. If I died, he killed me.
That's not good. Oh, you got some people in the shade. You can look up ahead and see our ranger up there. He's in beast mode. No telling how long he's done this hike.
Look at that.
Anyways, I'll catch you at the top.